Joe, where are we right now?
We're in Colorado.
That was actually probably one of the best hotels you can get in North Korea. Everyone in North Korea would yelp that a 5 out of 5.
Is it running water at least?
It's like running water. Pillows are provided. There's a bed.
What are we about to do?
Gotta fuck the river, fuck us. Good times. Glad we did this. It's pretty cool. How about you, Jay?
It was alright.
It's alright. Just got done like banging like 10 Jessica Alba's. How was that? It was alright.
Hanging out with our guys, all good people.
Some of them are good.
And some of them will yell at us.
I'm just really named after
The Pope and a singer?
really just my grandfather.
655
Potatoes, zucchini, beans, garlic bread. There's haters up. Good day.
Love Shack.
Love Shack.
It's a rockin', don't come a knockin'.
Turns rockin', please, man.
Or just join. How'd you sleep?
Not bad. Just Anthony was kind of rough with me last night. Like when we were having sex. Just really rough. With my hands.
It's fun.
Hot dog sausage is the other one that's shaped like a cylinder.
That's those people that are staying with Chris.
We're getting clipped in by
Elvis.
Elvis.
I am Elvis. I'll be your Zipline guy today.
And the Navy probably takes pretty good care of the dentist.
He likes being on a boat full of dudes too.
My favorite part.
Oh damn it!
Oh wait,
It's
we
too
can.
Tastes like butterscotch.
It is butterscotch. This is a butterscotch tree.
Next thing you know.
This is not a tree, it's a piece of candy.
The chances of getting struck by lightning is pretty low.
Okay, let's just go.
Alright.
We'll get on
Wait, what?
Why do you accept what he says? He knows nothing.
What do you think, Anthony?
I think we'll be alright too.
Okay, this guy knows nothing about.
No, but
He's just a dead
I
man.
feel like it should be what. Where do you hear it coming from?
You know, your stance gives you a lot of like assertiveness. Like, yes, I know what I'm talking about.
I know. I do.
Elvis has a version of it though.
What's your version?
Well, I was just doing a reggae version. So it's going like, yup, your guide is an awesome guide.
So you can't just divide by 4
So
or
then
2.
what do you? Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? There are 2 different variables there, and then you're gonna have to you're gonna need another equation, I think.
Denver. We're in Buena Vista, Colorado, and they have a drive-through liquor store.
We're in a white man's paradise. Look at this.
No black people?
No black people. Perfect weather.
It's like American Beauty right here. That's awesome.
Dude, he smokes like 20 cigarettes a day, and he finished a whole bottle of Jack Daniels himself last night.
Pia bumba kalat. Puya kasha.
The butterfly emerges from its cocoon.
We met this girl named Elvis.
Hi.
She was the catcher. She was the best. Where were we now, Anthony? Deer hammer?
Deer hammer.
What are y'all doing?
Pressing our.
Just gonna make sure all this shit doesn't.
Get wet.
Well, it's actually my middle name. My full name's John Elvis Miller IV. So I'm really
John's not as interesting.
She's from California, everybody. California.
So 84.
So we're gonna have to have
4B equals 84.
no, because we're 2. Because humans have 2 feet, right?
Hey, would it be weird?
It would be weird.
If you ever ask, would it be weird? It's already weird.
We trained on this for a whole 2 days.
3. I watched a YouTube video this morning, personally.
The river's about to do the move on our corpses.